Question number 84 is a 2T shape having all sides and angles are not same is called. Option A is regular polygon, option B is irregular, option C is open, and option D is closed. Students, we have discussed in the previous question about regular polygons and irregular polygons. And the option B is correct, which is irregular polygon, because irregular polygons are those types of polygons that do not have equal sides and equal angles. Question number 85 is, if the length of a side of a square is 3 centimeter, then its perimeter will be dash. Options are A is 9 centimeter, B is 9 centimeter square, C is 12 centimeter, and the option D is 12 centimeter square. Students, to find the perimeter of a square, we can use the formula of perimeter, or we can add all four sides of square. As a side of a square is 3 centimeter, so we will add 4 times 3, which is equal to 12 centimeter. Question number 86 is, the perimeter of a shape is dash, and the options are A is 8 centimeter, B is 6 centimeter, option C is 9 centimeter, and the option D is 10 centimeter. If you look at the given figure, you can see that it's a rectangle, and you know that opposite sides of rectangle are always equal. So if one side of rectangle is 1 centimeter, the other opposite side is also 1 centimeter. Again, if one side is 3 centimeter, which is given in the picture, then the opposite side is also 3 centimeters. So when we add all sides, it's equal to 8 centimeters. So the correct option is A, which is 8 centimeter. Question number 87 is, the perimeter of triangle is, option A is 28 centimeter, option B is 6 centimeter, option C is 9 centimeter, and option D is 14 centimeter. To find the perimeter of a triangle, we have to add all the sides of a triangle, which is 7 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 11 centimeter, and the answer will be 28 centimeter. So option A is correct answer. Question number 87 is, the perimeter of a triangle is dash, and the options are A is 28 centimeter, B is 6 centimeter, C is 9 centimeter, and D is 14 centimeter. You know that to find the perimeter, we will add all the three sides of a triangle, and when we add all the three sides of this triangle, we will get the answer 28. So 28 is the correct option. Question number 88 is, the perimeter of the shape, and the options are A is 26 centimeter, B is 20 centimeter, C is 22 centimeter, and option D is 24 kilometer. In this question, we have to find the perimeter of the shape. First, we find the lengths of the missing sides. In the figure, one side is 6.5 centimeter, so its opposite side is also 6.5 centimeter. One side of the figure is 2.5 centimeter, and there is a mark on the line of 2.5 centimeter. The same mark is on the other line of the figure. It shows that they are equal lines. So if one side is 2.5 centimeter, the line equal to this is also 2.5 centimeter. So we add all the sides, which are equal to 6.5 plus 6.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 4, which is equal to 22 centimeters. So 22 is the correct answer.